In this video, we will solve some of the questions based upon the ratios. Now suppose we are given that A is to B is 5 is to 6 and B is to C is 9 is to 11. We have to find A is to C. So A is to B is 5 is to 6. So how will we write this as? A upon B is equal to 5 upon 6. Right? Now B is to C is 9 is to 11. So we have B upon C as 9 upon 11. Now using these two, we have to find the ratio between A and C. Now if you multiply these two ratios, what will you get? Let's see. A by B, it means that right hand sides we have to multiply together and left hand sides we have to multiply together. What is the ratio A by B? 5 by 6. And what is the ratio B by C? 9 by 11. So what will happen? B and B will go. You will get A upon C as 9 5s are. Can we cut anything? Can we make it simpler? Yes. 3 3s are, 3 2s are. So 5 3s are 15 upon 11 2s are 22. Right? If you are asked to write the answer in the ratio, you should not leave your answer like this. You should write A is to C is 15 is to 22. Right? We have answered the first part. Now for the second part, we have to find A is to B is to C using these two. So see how we do it. We first write A is to B. Right? Now second one is B is to C. So just below B, we will write B is to C. Now B is same here. We will try to make the B term same. We'll try to find the LCM of B term. So let's write what is my A is to B? 5 is to 6. And what is my B is to C? 9 is to 11. So 9 I have to write just below this is to 11. Right? So what do I do with this in order to make this same? I take the LCM. What is the LCM between 6 and 9? It's 18. That means I am going to multiply this by 3 and this by 2. So what do I get? I will get 10 is to 18 and here 18 is to 22. So now this becomes your A, this becomes your B and this becomes your C. So what is your A is to B is to C? You have found that A is to B is to C is 10 is to 18 is to 22. Right? You have to remember the method. Same question. This will help us to understand this better. Now P is to Q is 7 is to 4. So let's write P upon Q. How much is that? 7 upon 4. Then Q is to R. That means Q upon R is 5 upon 14. Now he wants us to calculate to find the ratio between R is to P. So what will we do? We will multiply these. Left hand side will multiply together and then right hand sides will multiply together. So we will get 7 by 4 into 5 by 14. So what will happen? Q and Q will go. I'm getting P upon R is equal to, can we simplify this? Yes, 7 ones are 7 twos are. So finally I have got 5 upon 4 twos are 8. So what is my P? R is to P. Okay, he wants me to find R is to P. I have found P upon R. How much was that? 5 upon 8. Now if I want to find R upon P, I need to reciprocate this. So that becomes 8 upon 5. So then my R is to P is equal to 8 is to 5. Right? And then finally he has asked me to find the ratio P is to Q is to R. We'll follow the same method. We will write P is to Q like this, followed by Q is to R. Q we will write under Q. Okay. So what is my P is to Q? 7 is to 4. And what is my Q is to R? 5 is to 14. That means 5 and I will write here is to 14. Now I have to make these same. I have to find the LCM of this. So how will I do that? I will multiply this as 5 and then this entire thing as 4. So this will become 5 7s are 35 is to 20. And here I got 20 is to 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 and 1 is 5. So finally I got 35 is to 20 is to 56 as my P is to Q is to R. Right? This is the way that you find the ratio between the two numbers. Let's try to solve some more sums. Now in this question it's given that 3A is equal to 5B is equal to 6C. Right? Now he wants us to find the ratio A is to B is to C. So what we will do is we'll try to equalize the two terms first. We have 3A equal to 5B. So from this what are we going to get? I'll shift this B here and 3 here. So I'll get A upon B as 5 upon 3. Does that mean I got the ratio between A is to B as 5 is to 3? Let me keep this. Now I'll equalize this and this. So this is 5B is equal to 6C. Let me shift this C under this B and this 5 goes under this 6. So B upon C is equal to 6 upon 5. That means I got B is to C as 6 is to 5. Now I will use the same procedure which I used in the previous sum. I'll write A is to B and then under this B is to C. So what is my A is to B? It is 5 is to 3. And what is my B is to C? It is 6 is to 5. Now what will be the LCM of this? 6. So I have to only multiply the upper term by 2. So what will I get? 10 is to 6. And here I have 6 is to 5. So now what is my A is to B is to C? Is it 10 is to 6 is to 5? Fine? Okay. Now another type. I have been given that A is to B is equal to 8 is to 5. What does that mean? The value of A upon B is 8 upon 5. He wants me to calculate the value of 7A plus 5B upon 8A minus 9B. So I'll write this in terms of the numerator and the denominator. So this will be 8A minus 9B. Now I have the value for A upon B. In these types of questions, what you should do, you should divide the entire terms. I mean throughout this component, you should divide it by B. Let's divide each term here by B. So what will I get? 7A by B. If I divide this by B, I'll get 7A by B plus 5. B by B, B and B will go. I'm left with only 5 divided by 8A by B and minus 9, because if I divide 9B by B, B and B will go. Now what I can do is I have the value for A by B as 8 by 5. So I will substitute that value here. So finally what am I getting? 7 into 8 upon 5 plus 5 divided by 8 into 8 by 5 minus 9. So this is 7 8s are 56 plus 25 if I am taking 5 as LCM. In the denominator, what will I get? 64 minus 45 upon 5. Now you will get rid of this 5. So what are you left with? 56 plus 25 is 6 and 5 is 11. 2 and 1 is 3 and 5 is 8. You are getting 81 upon 64 minus 45 is 14 minus 5 is 9. 5 minus 4 is 1. So this is the value that you are going to get when you write the ratio of this, and this is the method that you have to follow. Let's solve some more sums based on this. First we have a by 2 equal to b by 3 equal to c by 6, and we are going to find the ratio a is to b is to c. Same way, we'll take the two terms together. We'll get a by 2 is equal to b by 3, right? So if I shift this b here and shift this 2 here, what am I getting? A by b is equal to 2 upon 3. Does that mean my a is to b is equal to 2 is to 3? See, we are trying to convert this into the previous model so that we can write a is to b and then b is to c. Similarly, now we will compare this and this. If I have b upon 3 equal to c upon 6, what will I do with this? I'll shift this c here and 3 here. So I will get b upon c is equal to 3 upon 6. I can even simplify it. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So my b is to c is equal to 1 is to 2. Now since I have to find the value of a is to b is to c, so what will I do? I'll first write a is to b and then b is to c. B I have made same. I'll try to make this term same. I'll try to find the LCM of this b. Now what is my a is to b? It is 2 is to 3. And what is my b is to c? It's 1 is to 2. Now what is the LCM between 3 and 1? It's 3. So we will multiply this term by 3. This will remain as it is, 2 is to 3, and this will become 3 is to 6. So finally what is my a is to b is to c? 2 is to 3 is to 6. Right? Okay. Now here we are given that x upon y is equal to 3 upon 2, and he wants us to calculate the value of 5x minus 3y upon 7x plus 2y. So what will we do? We will divide each term here by y. So what will we get? 5x by y minus 3, because 3y divided by y and y will go here. 7x by y plus 2. Right? Now we have the value for x upon y, that is 3 by 2. We will substitute that here. So we will get 5 into 3 by 2 minus 3 divided by 7 into 3 by 2 plus 2. So that will give me 15. If I am taking this as LCM, minus 6 divided by 2. Here I'll get 21 plus 4 divided by 2. 2 and 2 will go. So I am finally left with 15 minus 6 is 9 upon 21 plus 4 is 25. Right? So let's take some more questions. This time, instead of having x and y here, we have x square and y square. Right? In both the ratios. Let's see how we will do it. Now, x upon y is given 10 upon 3. And my 3x square plus 2y square is divided by 3x square minus 2y square. So this time, in order to get rid of this y square, what will I do? I will divide each term by y square. Earlier we divided each term by y. Now this time we'll divide each term by y square. So what will we get? Let's see. 3x square divided by y square plus 2, because if we divide this term by y square, y will go. Then here 3x square by y square minus 2. Now since we have the value for x and y, we need x square by y square, so we will square this. So if we square this, what will we get? We will get 3 into 100 upon 9, simple, plus 2 divided by 3 into 100 upon 9 minus 2, right? Now this will become 300 plus 18. Now we know we can get rid of this 9, 9 is same, divided by 300 minus 2. So 300 plus 18 is 318 and 300 minus 2 is 298. You can simplify it. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are. So you have got 159 upon 149, right? Okay. The next one, if A is to B is 2 is to 5, so what does that mean? A by B is equal to 2 by 5. You have to find the value of this. So what will we do? We have 3a square minus 2ab plus 5b square divided by a square plus 7ab minus 2b square. Again we have a square here, so we will divide each term by b square and let's see what we will get. If you divide this by b square, you will get 3a square by b square minus 2a will remain, 1b will go upon b, so 2a by b plus, if you divide this by b square, you are only left with 5. Same thing applies in the denominator. You are going to get a square upon b square plus 7a by b minus 2. Right? So wherever we have a square by b square, we'll square this and substitute that value. Wherever we have a by b, we'll put the direct value. So let's try that. We got 3 a square by b square means 4 by 25 minus 2 into 2 by 5 and then plus 5. Similarly, in the denominator, we are going to get 4 by 25 plus 7 into 2 by 5 and then minus 2. So, if we take 25 as the LCM in the numerator, what do we get? 12 minus 4 into 5 plus 125, because I am taking 25 as the LCM. Same, I am taking 25 LCM in the denominator. 25 and 25 will go. I am only left with 4 plus 14 into 5 and then minus 50. So now you can solve this. This is 12 minus 20 plus 125 divided by 4 plus 70 minus 50. You can simplify this and get the answer, right? Okay. Now the reverse. Now you are already given that 5x plus 2y upon 7x plus 4y is 13 is to 20, and you are going to find the value x is to y. So what will you do? In this case, you will write 5x plus 2y upon 7x plus 4y equal to 13 upon 20. So we will cross multiply this and see what we are getting. 25s are 100x plus 40y is equal to 13 sevens are 91x plus 13 fours are 52y. So if you simplify this, bring this x term together, 100x minus 91x, shift this 40 to this side, you will get 52y minus 40y, 100x minus 91x is 9x, equal to 52 minus 40 is 12y. Now you want to find x is to y. So we will shift this y term under x and shift this 9 under this y. So we will get x upon y is equal to 12 upon 9. Can we simplify this? Yes. 3 4s are 3 3s are. Since you are going to write x is to y, so you will write the sum in this form. X is to y is equal to 4 is to 3. So wherever you have to find the value of x is to y, just simply cross multiply and then find x and y. Another example of this type, let's follow the same steps. 3x plus 5y divided by 3x minus 5y is equal to 7 upon 3. So let's cross multiply. 3 3s are 9x plus 15y is equal to 21x minus 35y. So let's bring x's together and y's together. So 9x minus 21x is equal to minus 35y minus 15y. So 21 minus 9 is 12, but minus 12x, right, is equal to 35, and both are minus, so we have to add this. So 5 and 5 10, 3 and 1 4 and 1 5, so minus 50y. So minus sign and minus sign will go. You will bring this y under this x and this 12 under 25. So you will get x upon y is equal to 50 upon 12. You can simplify this. 2 25s are 2 6 are. So finally your x is to y is equal to 25 is to 6. Right? Clear? Okay. Now another type in which now you have, in place of x, now you have x square. Right? Let's see how we can deal with this. We have x square minus xy upon 2xy minus y square equal to 6 upon 1. Same procedure, we'll cross multiply. We got 6x square minus xy equal to 12xy minus 6y square. Right? So if I shift all these terms to this side, I will get minus 13xy and then plus 6y square equal to 0. Right? If you look at this, we can factorize this equation. This has become the equation now. We can split the middle term and factorize it. Now 6 into 6 is 36. 2 factors of 36 which are equal to 13. 9 and 4. So 6x square minus 9xy minus 4xy then plus 6y square is equal to 0. Now between this and this term, I can take 3 and x common. What is left inside? 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y. Minus, between these two terms, you can take minus 2 common and also y. Inside you will get 2x minus 3y equal to 0. So finally you have 3x minus 2y into 2x minus 3y equal to 0. Now we know either or. So you have 3x equal to 2y Shift this y here, this 3 here. So you'll get x upon y is equal to 2 upon 3, comma. Now for this, you will get 2x equal to 3y. Shift this y here and this here. So you'll get x upon y equal to 3 upon 2. Which is obvious because you are going to get two ratios here because your ratios are given in square form. So your x by y is having two values. One is 2 by 3, another is 3 by 2. So you can write that x is to y is equal to 2 is to 3, comma 3 is to 2. Right? Same applies here. We have 4x square minus 3y square upon 2x square plus 5y square equal to 12 upon 19. So what will we do? Cross multiply. 9 4s are 36, 3 carry, 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7, 76x square minus 9 3s are 27, 2 carry, 3 1s are 3, 4 5 y square is equal to 12 2s are 24x square plus 12 5s are 60y square. Fine. So let's bring them together. What are you getting? 76x square minus 24x square is equal to 57y square. I'm shifting this to the side plus 60y square. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5, 52x square is equal to 57 plus 60 is 110 y square. Now you want to find the value of x is to y. So what will you do? You will write x square by y square as this 52 will go down here and this y square will come here. So you will have 110 divided by 52. So let's simplify this. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. So here you are going to get 55 upon 26. So can we still, let's see, have we made any mistake somewhere? Okay, 19 4s are 9 4s are 36, 3 carry, 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7 minus 19 3s are 9 3s are 27, 2 carry 57, 12 2s are 24 plus 60. So 76 minus 24 is equal to 57 plus 60. So 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 2 is 5. So you got 0, oh, you got 7 here, right? You have got 7 here and 5 plus this is, okay. So we have made a mistake here. You got x square by y square as 117 divided by 52, right? Okay, let's see. Let's simplify this by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3. Oh, it will go by 13. 13 4s are 52 and 13 9s are. So you got x square by y square as 9 by 4. So that means your value for x by y is equal to plus minus 3 by 2. Right? Okay. Let's solve one more sum. We have x square. Shift this 4xy to this side, minus 4xy plus 4y equal to 0. Now again we can say that we have to find x is to y. So we will get two values for x is to y. So we can split the middle term. 1 into 4 is 4. 2 factors of 4 which are equal to 4. So x square minus 2xy minus 2xy plus 4y equal to 0. take x common, you will get x minus 2y. Here take minus 2y common. Take minus 2y common, what will you get? X minus, oh this is 4y square, 2y equal to 0. Now you have x minus 2y into x minus 2y equal to 0. What does that mean? X minus 2y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2y for this part, and for this part also x is equal to 2y. So here x by y is equal to 2 by 1. Here also x by y is equal to 2 by 1. So you are getting two values of x is to y, that is 2 is to 1 and 2 is to 1. Right? Similarly, let's take up this question. You have 10 9s are 90. Two factors of 90 you have to find, which are equal to 23. Let's try to find the factors of 90 here. So 3 30s are, 3 10s are, 5 2s are, and then 2 1s are. So we have 3 into 3 into 5 into 2. So 3 3s are 9 and 10. 9 and 10, no way they will become 23. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 and 5. Yes, 18 and 5 is 23. So we can write this as 10x square minus 18xy and minus 5xy plus 9y square equal to 0. Now between this term and this term, I can take 2x common. What's left inside? 5x minus 9y. Between this and this, I can take minus y common. So I'm left with 5x minus 9y equal to 0. So I have now 2x minus y into 5x minus 9y equal to 0. Now either or, product of two factors we have learnt in the quadratic equation while factorizing the middle term, splitting the middle term. So x by y is equal to 1 by 2 and 5x minus 9y is equal to 0. 5x is equal to 9y. Shift this y here, shift this 5 here. So x upon y is equal to 9 upon 5. So you've got two values for x is to y. One is 1 is to 2 and another is 9 is to 5. Right? That's it.